Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. So welcome to day 3 of my 7 days of Halloween. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the looks I've been creating so far. Trust me, this process has not been easy. It's been hella stressful, but anyways, especially with my working schedule, trying to shoot all these videos for you guys. But anyways, we love what we do and we gotta do it. So guys, I hope you guys have been enjoying the looks I've been creating so far. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my remaining 4 looks. Yes, please subscribe and leave me comments. Let me know what you think about the looks I've been creating so far, and all that good. So anyways, for today's tutorial, I wanted to do something really fun so to say. So today I'm going to be creating like a half angel, like half demon kind of makeup tutorial. So yeah, without further wasting any much time, let's begin this tutorial.
Okay, my lovelies, so let us begin this tutorial. So first off, I'm just going to take this pencil and I'm basically going to divide my face into 2, ensuring that the division is smack dead in the center of my face. So once I'm done dividing my face, I'm taking my Snazzaro white face paint. I'm basically just painting one half of my face entirely white. So once that half of my face is entirely painted, I was alternating. I applied the white face paint with a brush, and I used the blender to just ensure that it was blended thoroughly into my skin. So now once I'm done with that, because my face paint is not it doesn't dry matte, it's more of an oil-based face paint. I have to set it with powder, if not it's going to start cracking and moving. So anyways, that's just what I did. I set it with powder now. So now translucent powder. So now I'm just going to, because this is kind of like a beauty look of some sort, I'm going to do like, how you do your regular makeup, with highlights and contour. That's basically what I'm going to be doing, but with the white face paint. So I'm basically highlighting under my eye and kind of chiseling out my cheekbones with the white face paint. Okay, so now going back into that next eyeshadow. Basically, I think I used this eyeshadow palette for almost all my looks this year. So anyways, using the eyeshadow palette, I'm just going into the gray shade in the palette, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbones, to give my cheeks a more chiseled outlook, if that's a word. So now time for the studs, and using my Prosade cream, I'm just going to be applying some diamonds and half-cut pearls on the sides of my face, just to give it this really dazzling look and all that. So yeah, that's just basically what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so this is the half of my face completely studded, or yeah. So now moving on to the other side of my face, which is going to be the demon side. I made this horn with polymorph plastic, or sorry, Instamorph plastic. Yeah, sorry. I bought it from Amazon. So yeah, I think it was like what, $9 or so. It's quite inexpensive. So anyways, it's like a moldable plastic. You put in water and yeah, do whatever you want to do. So yeah, I shaped the horn and I painted it, and yeah. So anyways, right now I already applied my Prozaid cream on my head, and I blocked out the tail of my eyebrows with what do you call it, with glue. With like what do you call them, stick glue. So I blocked out the bottom part of my eyebrows because I didn't want my eyebrows to look like the normal shape of, the normal arc coming down. I wanted my eyebrows to kind of look straight. So yeah, I blocked out the tail part of my eyebrows and used a black pencil instead of the normal brown to draw out my brows. So once my brows are drawn, I highlighted it with white, and yeah. So by now the Pros 8 cream had become sticky and tacky. So now I'm just going to place the horn carefully on the Pros 8 cream, ensuring that it sticks. But this Pros 8 cream is like really, really strong. Like if they try, the thing they hold, it holds very well. So now once I am done sticking down that horn and I am satisfied that it is completely stuck, I am going to um I'm gonna do the edges now. So basically I'm mixing this mold fx sculpting gel. So it comes in three parts, A, B, and C. So basically you're supposed to mix all three parts together in equal proportions for you to get a a good mixture. So anyways, I mixed all three parts together, and I'm going to use that to just cover the outline of the horn and basically make it look like it's coming out of my skin. So yeah. So I am done with that. And when you're applying this sculpt gel, be sure to always ensure that your edges are thinned out, so it doesn't it just blends into your skin when you're done. So anyways, now I'm just going to start face paint. So now going into the red face paint in my face paint palette, I'm just going to paint the entire side of that face red. So yeah, basically self-explanatory. And basically do the same thing I did with the white side. So after blending it out, I'm setting the red with powder because it's an oil-based paint too. So if you have an oil-based paint, be sure to always set it with powder so it doesn't move or like smudge at any point. But if it's a normal face paint that dries, that maybe you have to like activate with alcohol or water, yeah, you don't need to set it. So anyways, once I'm done setting the entire red, I'm just going into my white face paint and basically doing the same thing I did for the other side, highlighting, contouring, and all that. But instead of using gray for my contour on this side, I used black to contour the devil side. So yeah, so it's basically what I did on the left, I'm doing on the right, except for the studs parts. No studs on this side. So yeah. So now onto detail work. I'm just going to start detailing. So for the horn area, I'm going in with like black face paint, and I'm painting like the tip of, where the horn meets the fake skin or whatever. I'm just painting around the black. This will kind of create an illusion of like depth, like it's coming from somewhere, it's coming from inside out. Because usually if something like came from out of your skin, there will definitely be like shadow inside. So once I'm done putting that shadow, I'm also going to like take some of that white and highlight the tip of the skin. So highlighting the tip of the skin just enhances the depth that you see there. So can you see, like, with those two now, it just really looks like it's coming out of my skin. So yeah, your highlighting and your shadings are very important when it comes to making things look realistic. Or yeah, so anyways, now I'm just going to do my eyeshadow. Basically it's just, I'm just doing a basic smoky eye, nothing dramatic. So smoky eye on top and smoky eye at the bottom. So yeah. So now to give that, because in some angles where it tilts, you can tell where is fake and where is real. So to kind of give it that illusion of coming out of my skin, I'm just going to take the black and basically go around the edge area. So that kind of like hides the edge of the prosthetics that I applied on my face. So yeah. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to like contour my face, contour the perimeters of my forehead, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just going in for that devil side. I'm kind of adding more details and depth, enhancing like my frown lines and the lines on my forehead, just to make it not look as beautiful or as put together as the angel side. The angel side looks clean, but I don't want this side to look like super super clean. So I'm enhancing like the smile lines and all that. So anyways, once I'm done with that, I popped on my lashes off camera because y'all don't need to see that. So yeah. So now I'm taking this like teardrop shaped stuffs that I made. I actually used my hot glue gun to actually make it. So it's kind of like, it's like a glittery black, like I don't know how to describe it. So I used the glue gun and I added some glitter on it. So yeah, so now I'm just going to stick those down on my face just to like make it look like, teardrops coming from the eye. So like really pretty teardrops. So now time for lips. I'm just applying black, my face paint. I actually use my face paint as my lipstick. So I'm applying the black face paint on my lips on this side. Then for the other side, for the angel side, I just use the white face paint, and yeah, that was my lipstick on that side. So yeah. So now for finishing touches, because I wanted the demarcation line to be like stupendously sharp, I went back in with my white face paint on the white side and just enhanced it, then blended it out. So, and at the end of the day, I now liked how it looked. Like it had this like really intense. It gave the angel side a more intenseness ish, if that's a word. And yeah, do that, then set it. Then for the devil side, I used like a darker shade of, I didn't want to use black, so I went in and mixed red and black together to get like a darker shade of red. And that was what I did on the devil side to sharpen the line. Then to enhance my waterline on the devil side, I went in with red eyeliner on my waterline, and for the angel side, I went in with a white eyeliner on my waterline. So yes, we have changed into the full regalia. Oh my god. Guys, I had fun with this look. Like I had fun creating the costume. I had fun, like everything in my head was just like boom, 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 boom. I totally had fun. Oh, and by the way, I changed my contacts on the angel side to a white contacts, and I sprayed my hair with some silver hairspray, and that was basically it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think about this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.